Worst market day in over a year today, and it definitely took a hit to my portfolio, and I think it did to Jill's as well, just maybe not as bad. So we're gonna definitely go over that. It's pretty ugly. My week was actually down 5.48%, and Jill's week was down only 2.45%. But
he tanked more than me.
The names that I have definitely do a lot worse than hers, but maybe it's because I picked some crazy things, so who knows.
Crazy.
I know, right? I actually went ahead and did a few things this week. I went ahead and sold Victoria's Secret. I just don't think that they're gonna actually, I don't wanna guess that they're gonna start making money. I wanna see something like Abercrombie when they actually make money. So I'll watch them over the next few months, maybe a year, and see if their earnings actually get better versus guessing. So I actually rolled that money into more Tesla that I said I was going to buy in like the 220s area, because it got all the way up to, I think it was like 265. And I said I wanted to see it like 220 on previous episodes, so I went ahead and rotated that money into there.
Okay.
And then for the weekly buy, I went ahead and actually bought one name that Jill wanted to buy in the past, which was Celsius, the energy drink company. So they're actually down a little bit over 50% in, I think it's about 2 months. So I don't know if maybe Jill will be tempted to buy that now.
I was just gonna say, I kind of want to buy it now because I wanted to buy it before. So technically that was my idea.
I got it first.
I didn't know they had dropped, so it might be a good time to get in there.
Maybe we'll
swoop in at the bottom.
I guess we'll find out. I just noticed that we saw it in one of the fridges when we were on our way back from Vegas, and it made me look at the chart to see where it was, and it was pretty ugly. So I apparently I
ugly,
like to,
so it's pretty.
I think I like to buy ugly stuff. So whatever that means, I don't know. But what about you? What'd you do this week?
So I actually did a addition to something in my portfolio. Also based on just being in Vegas this weekend, I was actually thinking about things I wanted, and I was out of town. So I was thinking, because he had just informed me that Amazon does these drop boxes, like little lockers.
So you bought more Amazon.
I didn't even know. So yeah, I bought more Amazon because I was thinking about them all weekend and how handy that would be if I found like a locker Amazon drop point in Vegas, because obviously you can't ship it to your house if you're not home. Anyway, so I bought that. However, I bought that yesterday, and their one-day return was just as bad as my entire portfolio's horrible return today, which was over 2.5% down. So it didn't pan out for me today, adding in those extra shares.
I don't think you'll ever sell Amazon, though. So.
Oh, God, no. I'm just gonna keep on adding. If I ever just don't know what to do, I'm just gonna buy more Amazon.
But were you also aware that Bezos is selling like $5 billion right now of Amazon?
Oh.
So
is that probably that's probably a bad sign, yeah?
Meh, he's not really with the company as much as he was anymore. So I think he just wants to spend some money.
Okay.
Like he's bought a new yacht. It's a whole thing. So who knows? Now we're gonna go ahead and go over the total portfolios. I'm gonna show last week's along with this week so you can see how dramatic it was. Last week I was up 6.38% total on my portfolio, and now this week I am only up 0.04% at $1,850.81. So I thought I was riding high there for about a week, and that's about it. So I won't be shocked if I go red again, but I think I was up I was close to like 11% on the year at one point, and then it all just completely reversed. Jill last week was up 11.64%. This week she is now only up 8.58% at $2,008.73. I think it's the first week she's ever gone down for a total portfolio value. So, but what do? We don't panic, or at least you don't panic. You don't panic.
I don't panic.
Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and show you our portfolios, and have a great week. We'll be back next week.